All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill. It is 925 sterling silver. You got one tooth here that is open, and then you got the bar with the CZ stones. Very nice. Here's the back side. This is real 925 sterling silver, guys. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. You get a free mold kit with your purchase. Custom handmade work. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Check the links in the description if you're interested in checking this out online and getting yourself grilled up with blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, y'all have a good one.